What's up mini fans, I hope you are well. This is my very simple method for painting muzzle burn, in this case over the barrel of a melter gun. Once it's been based white, you're going to need three colours of silver, a blue and a purple. So, starting off with our silver base, make sure to get all the way around the barrel here, like you would do with any barrel. Yes, that includes the back too, because you can see it. Then we're using, in this case, a Killian green because it comes out blue and it gives a really nice finish for this. This gives a top layer of the barrel there, and you paint this in a ring the entire way around on the front of the barrel too. Next up, Shyish purple. This is a second ring, and we're leaving a ring of silver at the back there. Again, you're going all the way around, make sure to get into the recesses. Now, this is just a very quick go, so you can do a little neater and better, but there you have it, as easy as that. Alright, great. Thanks for watching.